The National Water Commission has accomplished yet another significant milestone. The meter testing laboratory at Morosco Road is now ISO 17025 certified, following accreditation from the Jamaica National Agency for Accreditation, JANAC.
It reflects a commitment to excellence that I see every day that sometimes the public isn't aware of from the staff. But when you get an ISO standard or accreditation, it's a commitment to excellence. So I thank the team from JANAC, I thank the leadership team from the NWC who would have driven this process.
You are the first calibration lab in Jamaica that has been accredited by JANAC, so you're our first.
You, our valued customers, are the ultimate beneficiaries of this achievement. An important benefit is the testing of more meters at a faster rate.
In addition, we can test up to 20 meters in one single session if necessary.
None of this would have been possible without the commitment and dedication of our hard-working staff. So, to all those who contributed to the attainment of this goal, take a bow.
The Jamaica National Agency for Accreditation, JANAC, we extend the heartiest congratulations to not just the team of the National Water Commission's Instrumentation and Meters Testing Laboratory. We are also congratulating the entire team from your president right down, because it has to be a team effort. It is a privilege today to recognize the NWC because you have now demonstrated that you are a member of the International Hall of Fame.
From time to time, customers have expressed concerns about the accuracy of readings from meters. With the JANAC accreditation, customers can be assured you will only pay for it if you use it.
Jamaica can be confident that you are paying for the water that you use, because many times we resist paying the bill because we say, okay, we didn't use that. Yes, the meter is recording what we use. And now we have the validation that the lab, the NWC Meters and Instrumentation Lab, that they are accredited to international standards. So the work they do is tested and is tried. And we can say that without hesitation, that the work that is coming out of the lab stands equivalent to what exists right across the world.
That point is well worth noting. Listen to this reiteration from Errol Thompson, a lab technician.
This ISO certification is an international certification. Now, in regards to the customer, the reputation of the NWC has now been enhanced in a positive way due to this calibration certification process, right? So the accuracy of each test is one that speaks volume. Now, this accreditation process gives the customer a whole lot more confidence that whatever test or calibration is conducted in this lab, it speaks volume, and they can take that result and stand confidently on it, knowing that whatever the results are, it is one of accuracy.
It is now the entire meter testing process that will be subjected to rigorous scrutiny. Even the quality of the management process will be of a particular standard.
The quality management is a series of how we conduct ourselves during day-to-day testing. And we have to be compliant with all of that management procedure throughout.
Our core values of innovation, professionalism, and customer centricity are reflected with this certification. As we look forward to embrace new challenges, we will always do our best to meet and exceed your expectations.
I am sure, and the public can be sure, that this lab is well run, that it has the best equipment. I am sure that as we get ISO certification for other parts of this utility, it will communicate to citizens that the utility is being run well, that the workers are performing at the best level in the world, and that we are buying and investing in the equipment that is in line with best practice.
The NWC, serving you in so many ways.